Can't see your keep up.
That meant top both.
Her.
Yeah.
To me, it will be tomorrow, but for you guys, it will be in about 2 seconds. So, yeah.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. My name is Shelby and you guys are my Seashells. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can join the fam. This is the same day. No, I'm lying. This is the next day after my last vlog. If you haven't watched that yet, go watch that. I am actually rushing to go to Exodus band launch. I'm going with Shami and we said we wanted to get there 7:38. It's currently 6:51. I told her I'd be ready by 8. I just decided to change my wig to a middle part instead of a side part. I think the side part is very stale, very tired, and I didn't have time to do my hair because today I was editing the video that I just posted today, which is the video before this. I am so exhausted and I have no idea what to wear. I don't know why I didn't think about it, or I wasn't thinking about it too much until Shami told me that she had tried to do a bag of fandangos on her makeup and it never worked out and she had to start over. So now it's like, maybe I do have to put in a little bit of effort now. And that's what I'm afraid of. I didn't really want to put too much effort into this, but I think I may have to. I have this leather top and this skirt. It's bigger than me, so I don't really know how that's gonna go. And I wanted to wear my black and white sneakers. But anyways, people, I'm just gonna go get ready. I'm gonna do my makeup now and then I'm gonna go take a shower, and all I have to do is just fling on the wig after that. Hopefully the outfit makes sense. So I'll catch up with you guys when I guess I'm about to leave out. So yeah. And the fragrance of the day is from Dossier.
Dossier. Dossier. Dossier. Y'all already know the Dossier is a must.
Now, I don't know how many times I need to tell you guys that all I use is Dossier. If you don't know what Dossier is, and you've been watching me for so long, shame on you. But if you're new here, I'll spare you. So Dossier is a brand that replicates luxury scents at a fraction of the cost. So you see me, if you come to me and you smell me smelling like some Chanel, some Gucci, some YSL, some Tom Ford, some Riri and Tete, just know that I got the dupe. I got the replica from Dossier, and I paid about $29.99 for it, okay? And if you want to smell good, bougie and bad on a budget, cheap and clean, this is the place to shop. You know what I'm grateful for? I'm grateful for the people that I sent some Dossier to, and they gave me their feedback. Screenshots don't lie, baby, and the scent don't lie either. So if you want to get with it, make sure you click the link in my description box, dossier.co, and use my code SHELBY5 to get some money off your order. Thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring this segment of the video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for keeping me fresh and smell good all the time. Yeah. Now back to the video.
I'm very stressed out right now. Really stressed. But this is the top I'm wearing. I can't even show you guys the full outfit right now. I'm not going to just show no one reach because the Uber is 2 minutes away. I'm not loving my hair either. I have these earrings on though. I don't normally wear this wig with baby hairs. I flipped it to a middle part, and now I'm kind of regretting it. I wish I had it back in the side part. So I don't know. Anyways, scent of the day is Valentino. I know y'all were gonna think Dossier, but we're doing Valentino tonight, and this is the one day in Roma, I believe it's called. Born in Roma. When ain't they used to nothing. Here, what me talk to them reach.
Somebody said no, man, alive.
I'm not saying that.
Ready again. Somebody try out. Keep
Them have to watch it and I wish them could have it.
Down to them DJ. Hey, girl, I that's fuck with chicken. And I'm cheap it near one P. That no girl leave that. No be no cheap one. You see a bed back down like leaves. Here gun on the go to junction. We make sense of a girl man.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. I will talk to you guys about how the band launch went and everything when I get back. I couldn't finish recording everything because my memory card was full and I didn't realize, so I couldn't vlog anything else. So currently I'm going to go to Knutsford. It's what, well, 6 o'clock, 5:32. I have to hurry up and go down there because my bearer, we're not going to talk about it. Just know that I have to do a delivery myself. So it's just a dossier. This one is the floral aldehydes. I have some mini starfish and stuff in there. It's packaging from my home decor and appliances business called the Seashell Abode. So this is what it looks like, and this is my box of stickers. Packaging it in this. I believe I should call my Uber. It's going to be traffic time now. I wish I knew that there would be an inconvenience, so I would have just done it myself earlier, but I have to get it out today. So Knutsford. But just fling the wig right back on my head. Y'all see my little braid that I had in here? Yo, I feel like a hot mess. Honestly, I feel like one big hot mess. Oh, I am done. I'm trying to look back for the Uber that I booked because I don't remember what freaking Uber I booked. Is it this? I don't remember. So guys, obviously I'm gonna just catch this by my head top, but I told you guys, no, actually I did not tell you guys. I told my YouTube live, I don't remember YouTube live. I told my, Lord Jesus, the man chat me can't remember what I said. Me I say again. Oh, I told my TikTok live that I was going to make brownies. So I am here with Shanita and we're going to make brownies. We are going to make brownies. So the brownies, apparently they have walnuts in it. I don't even know how walnut tastes like. I know how walnut tastes like. I don't even know. I had one rub stripe and no more sleep. This is why I took a break from drinking. I don't care. This is it. So I'm gonna be supervising Shanita to make sure that she does everything correctly.
The baking pan, so
I forgot my tripod, so I'm gonna just.
I've never used the oven. I usually use the toaster oven. That's
All the better. This is what we're going to be baking in.
water, oil, egg.
Water, oil, egg. Heat oven to what? Hey!
One egg.
You know, I'm gonna ask you still if you have egg. One egg.
One digger.
And we're gonna press the egg good. Good.
It's easy.
Good man.
Fine.
Always with me in the year, eh?
I don't know what always happens.
Yeah, just don't want to give me none. It's okay.
Subconsciously, I probably not between. Drew.
That's funny. Let's stop come over here. Let's stop. Come over here. I just got my confirmation, people, that I am not welcome.
Whenever you're there, me and Ty bored, we're just.
So why I can't board when we're there?
Because we're always doing something when you're here. Always a chat right up on the road. So when we're there, but I was like on board. For the vlog.
Thank you, Jesus. No, I forget something on the damn tripod. Alright, people. As a baker. It's all no. All of it?
Yes, turn open or yes,
Not it?
all, not half.
Why?
Then can't see.
Jesus!
You could have bust the whole bigger still, man. Yeah, just rip it. Where are the walnuts? I've never used this one before. I usually just use the chocolate chip or like the regular brownie. Oops.
Stop flapping a bag and just come out
That's
properly.
why you should have cut it.
Jesus Christ.
And then, what did I put to the cup there with the water? Quarter cup water. See the water there? See
This?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it out.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna add
Quarter.
a quarter cup of water. Now what?
Put the box. See the box here. A third cup of vegetable oil and then 1 egg. And then we give a whisk.
Okay.
Ready?
Whiskey.
Yeah.
Alright. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Okay.
Yeah. And then the egg.
And then an egg. Whole egg or egg
You
white
think you
or
can
just...
separate it?
Yeah.
That's what
Anyways. Any way.
My name is some of them.
You're not going there.
And then
Hold on, I'm gonna wash my hands. And
then
now
we whisk.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
oh this right?
You're right, man. Just go on. Don't worry about it. Just yeah, man. Just go on.
Okay. Jesus.
See, it's coming along very nicely, guys.
Alright.
That's right. But I see no walnut.
I wonder if them something there.
Yeah, probably, but
I think, oh, see them there?
yeah. I see them.
Okay, you want the light?
So, oh, this is nice. Why this is doing? Oh. Oh, bright. This is the light that I want. Yeah, people, you can see better now. See there? Coming on nicely.
No, man!
One chef.
One chef Shelbert.
I like this, you know?
But we do.
Chef Frito.
You want some brownie?
Anika.
Wait, I make brownie for you, girl.
Anika.
It's a surprise.
Let me get the mixture nice.
Wow. Beautiful.
Nice and
Beautiful.
that's
Let
right.
me talk both.
taste. How is it?
Walnutty. Just taste walnutty. Tastes chocolatey, but you can taste the walnut in there.
Yeah. I don't mind
Take a
it.
taste, you know.
Actually, don't mind it.
Alright, well, no.
All the pan. So, the casserole dish. Yeah, no, yeah, like pour.
Me dog just.
Wait. Oh, yeah, you put it on the.
And just wipe it in there.
You can do that too. Whatever floats your boat.
And tap me look like banana sticks. Oh god. Cause I don't want it soak.
Yeah, get it nice and.
Yeah.
That and that.
So this not too thick.
No, it's perfectly fine. It's brownie, you know. So it's supposed to have like a thick consistency. Maybe you can know.
Oh yeah, we can alright. Jesus.
Alright, guys. That thick bad still.
This exactly, you sure?
No man, go on man.
You sure?
Yeah man, good man. Go on. Shelby.
Heavy man.
Lift it
No
up.
man. You know what? Take over the party.
Yeah man, give me.
Jesus.
You need to use the whisk. And then we do this.
Jesus. You understand why I'm struggling
I
now?
don't remember it being something like normally just come out. But I've never done this one before.
So why me salt every time? Me for the salt.
I did quarter cup of water. Yeah, I did. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, but
Perfect.
everything perfect. Quarter cup of water, third vegetable.
I made bacon on more people. If you pour it on my fault.
Just throw me in the box.
Exactly. It's very thick.
In and out. Everything
1 cup of water, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 1 egg. So,
Okay, well, water, that's what I gave you. The
Yeah.
small one.
yeah.
1/3 vegetable oil and 1 egg.
But I'm liquid after.
You know it wouldn't come out.
You know what?
Oil? No, from quarter cup to half cup. That's fine to me. Guys, look. Her.
Yeah, pepper.
We did that.
And now it's set. What's up for them? It's oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for what? Oh, for shiny metal or glass pan. We're using glass. Grease bottom of the, yeah, we do that. Stir brownie mix, you would do that. Bake as directed until toothpick inserted 2 inches from the
30 minutes for normally put it on.
You didn't even tell me how long I'm for this. How can I
30 minutes.
instructions this?
Get it right. I think there's some right here. So sit here.
Oh. Maybe reach this is. So we don't know what kind of pan size we have. So we're gonna call it 8 by 8. No, we'll call it.
Yeah.
Listen, we're doing 35 minutes.
No, well, yeah.
Yeah.
I guess that's good.
Yes, we're doing 35 minutes, and then it should be done.
I would say that. What I think.
It's between 8 by 8 and 9 by 9, so we're doing 35. Because 9 by 9 is a 30 to 33.
But I'm gonna do 30 still.
Alright,
But we can do 35. It no matter.
I don't think 5 minutes are gonna kill it.
Exactly.
So 35 minutes it is.
Girl, I can't take it serious. The toaster oven, because I have never used that shit, so we're using this one. Toaster oven.
What is right now?
Shelby.
Wait now.
Bake.
300. What? Wait. What?
350. Bake.
350.
Yeah, it's on it
So
already.
it's on 350. So
Yeah.
we do the.
Bake, and they put it in and put it at 30 minutes. See that? 35, yeah.
Alright, you don't need to preheat.
I've never done that.
Wow, that's crazy. Alright, so we're just gonna put it in.
Shit, may I zoom in? Sorry, people. That's right. Nice. Then we leave that there, and then
And now we wait. We'll be back in
35 minutes.
Okay? Bye. Wash. No, wash this.
Actually, more.
Just have to eat.
I'll just
It's thick, man.
It stink.
No, it's thick.
Oh,
As in, I feel like I could have just put this in the freezer.
it's thick. And make it like a fudge. I like it.
I don't know how I feel.
I think it'll come out fine. You never normally think when me do this.
I don't know about me, so.
But I've never. It's the same thing. It's the same. I want to take me.
Let me taste my creation.
Oh, I do business. My boss is the boss is man.
Actually, I want to have him long belly self.
Fuck up. He's smart. What's next? I feel belly long.
That way, like a bit still. I'm not lie.
You want more?
No, go for it, man. When I do like Swiss boy stuff.
No.
You know, make it still. You know, I just back up.
Alright, now. Bye.
So,
Jano.
half an hour,
Yeah. We'll see
and
you
we'll be
guys.
back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. So, it's been about 30 something minutes. Gotta pull it out and poke it.
You poke it?
That looks like.
Cause if you let it come out.
We're ready.
Yep.
Okay. See? Nothing.
Nothing.
So, so it's ready now. Okay?
Nurse with me.
This one.
What the fuck?
This one I stretch it around here. Man.
Man must
Come on, man.
Mine.
Thank you. That meant that boat. Woo! Look for my masterpiece, man.
You mean my masterpiece?
My masterpiece.
Can you have it already?
My masterpiece. And me, open everything and put it in a dish and mix it up and pour it in and put it in the toaster oven.
Lying.
I did that. And I'm just so happy there is proof on the camera. The only thing I didn't do so far was take it out of that toaster oven.
That's right. Sure.
Just saying.
Sure.
So when it cools,
You take it
I'll
out
be
too?
back. I just let them know that the only thing I did not do was take it out.
Cool.
Damn! Damn! Get your ass out my camera, boy. One, two, three.
You're precise though, my friend.
Yeah.
Real and truly, we should have make it cut it with it. Cool still.
No, where give me this knife for?
It'll crumble regardless.
No!
It's perfect, it's fine.
You hear that, people? My brownies
No, I never mean it like that.
are perfect. Come back, first time in my life I met brownies, people.
I lie at him.
I don't
Really?
bake at all.
First?
First.
We want one lamp on it.
Rest.
Eden.
That's my masterpiece. I
Uh-huh.
really love all the walnut and taste nice too.
Yeah.
So we are back before. Yeah, that's
Cover
it.
up. Make it cool. And then you plate it. Give it a couple minutes and then soon come back.
BRB. So guys, I'm going to try my masterpiece now.
No, please.
I'm gonna put a little plate. Okay, I'm better. Guess it's me.
It goes to show you say my grease pan good boy I use. Just drop.
It's
Boy, I use
okay.
napkin.
I like it a little crispy. Here we go. Moment of truth.
It's sweet. 30 minutes gonna work. The 35 is like a little bit too much. Why just sticky?
I don't know. More tired. Tired for two.
No, my one now one.
It's not me.
Like this.
It's not me. It's not. Why not say that? Oh.
Yeah.
So the taste is not the problem.
But it's just it's tough, but it dry. The taste fine, but the texture weird.
Yeah. I'm not like the walnuts. Sorry.
That's why I'm never sure about it. That's why I'm telling you, I normally use the next one. My one never tastes. You see the TikTok on my post, so it look like cake. I don't understand this.
I stuck up in my teeth.
No, you them for see. So,
You know, it was a fluffy. It's not. That's it, people. Yeah, I mean, I really love this. It's not a fault of ours though. It just. I don't know, boy. I don't know. I excuse Eden in the back. He just woke up. Well, he wasn't supposed to wake up yet. He woke up from his nap. And I feel fault though, because we literally followed everything to the T. I'm disappointed. I can't do shit right. We tried. And that is it. And that is like, literally I pressed down on it and it's not budging. Like the inside, I don't know how to explain it. Like the inside The inside texture, it's not dry, but it's tough. I don't get it. And I hate the walnuts. I'm so sorry. I knew I hated them from the batter, but oh well. Nothing try, nothing done. Now we know next time that we're not gonna buy no brownie mixed with walnuts, and I'll leave bacon alone. I don't even like sweets, but just enough. So yeah, that's all for tonight. You know, I really need to be holding this. That's all for tonight in Shelby's kitchen. This was a failed attempt of baking a walnut chocolate supreme walnut brownie mix. Dirty Betty Crocker, you set me up. That don't taste good. On the next episode of Chefing with Shell, I don't know what you guys will see, but hopefully it's not these tough ass brownies again. With that being said, thanks for watching. To me, it will be tomorrow, but for you guys, it will be in about 2 seconds. So, yeah.
Guten Morgen. It's the next day. I'm going apartment hunting. Again, the hunt continues. I have a viewing at 12 p.m. It's 11:33. I kind of just want to get there before the crowd, because the last time I went somewhere, there was a long line. And I'm not really depend on that. We're just gonna go early and let's see if it looks how it looks in pictures. I hope it looks better. And then I hope that I get it, because I can't bother with this back and forth. It's like, you done showed this place to about what, 30-40 people. You're showing it to another probably 30 people. Just pick somebody at this point. I'm sure half of those people that applied or came to view the place were qualified. So what's the problem? I don't understand. I'm not understanding. It's blowing my mind, I'll tell you that. So I'm not going cute today. I'm just so sorry. Last however many times I went to look at apartments, I kind of dressed the part. I don't know, you kind of just have to look the part. You can't go looking like a bum, you know. But today I'm fed up, and this is just how I'm going. Especially the last time, it started very hot and I beat it in my head while I was waiting in the line. So that's not happening this time. That's not happening. So I just hope it works out, because I'm pretty tired. I'm real tired, if you ask me. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get back home, because obviously I'm not going to vlog while I'm there. And them have this thing about not recording while you're in there, but I am always recording. I'm going to take my phone out and sneak videos and come back home and watch them, because I don't remember everything. So yeah, see you guys when I come back. I'm back from apartment hunting, and now we're going to roll poly. Yes, I'm going to roll the poly. That should be exciting.
Which part I'm going?
I knew there was a hair. I think they're in half tree. Oh, it's the same plaza as I went to my hair.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so, yeah. So give me all of you.
Hey guys, the last clip was probably the roly-poly clip. There was just so much to explain. That roly-poly thing was yesterday. Yesterday was Friday, right? Well, it's actually 1:30 a.m. Sunday. Well, I call it Saturday because I don't sleep and wake it. So you see, for me not sleep and wake it, it's not Sunday. So it's Saturday. Which means I went to roly-poly on Friday. So yeah. The last thing before that, I think I went to Knutsford, and I never really picked you guys up and spoke to you after that. So what had happened was, I was feeling cramps in the car on the way to Knutsford, and I was instantly saying, God, please don't make my period come down for me, because I have no pads on me, I'm wearing a dress, and I would have just dead weight if that was to happen to me on the road. So I was really hoping and praying that, you know, please God, just don't make it come. Mind you, I was feeling a little bit of cramp before I left the house, but I don't know. I just felt it was like the pre-cramps before it actually came. Like I never think it would have come that same day until I was in that Uber. You see, when I'm going at the Uber and I feel the cramp, I was like, oh no, this is serious. Anyways, I go there, I'm trying to do everything I'm doing real quick. I told the Uber to wait on me, so I just ended the trip and rebooked it when I finished dropping off whatever. In the taxi, when I tell them, so may I pray to God and I said, God, please just hold on little, just let it wait until I get home. I don't want it nice up the seat, I don't want nice up my clothes, nothing like that. Tell me what, as soon as I walk in and get in my room at the period that come down for me. You know, it's small things like that that just remind me say God real. God is God is very real, and I don't know how people can say God is not real. That was literally no coincidence. I specifically asked God, I prayed, and I said, God, please just wait until I get home. And as soon as I got here, I was a long time in the episode. Like, obviously, I'm not happy to have a period because I'm gonna be in pain and miserable and all that stuff. But I'm just happy that He made it come when I wanted it to come and not embarrass me on the road. So, hallelujah, praise Jesus. So the day after that, I was in pain. When I tell you, it was tearing me apart. The rest of the night there, the pill that I took, it didn't work. I was going through it. Then the next day, I got through it too. And then the day after that, I was busy. So it was just not a vlogging week. But I kind of picked back up when I went to Roly Poly yesterday. So that's where we are. And it is Sunday, the day on which I should be uploading, because I'm trying to, as I said, get back on my Zoom. I'm trying to get back on my Zoom. You're probably wondering, why am I up at 1:33 a.m. because I'm never up at this hour. But I was actually editing because I never realized I never edit nothing. So from the band launch and everything, I didn't edit nothing at all. So I was just editing for a little bit. And I feel like tomorrow I can just do the finishing touches, because I just need to add music and then add this that I'm recording right now and close out this vlog. I'm actually going out of town, but since this is going to be in the vlog that I'm gonna post, I'm not gonna tell you guys where I'm going. I mean, by tomorrow on, we'll see what I'm gonna tell me in the vlog. Just stay tuned. That will be in the next vlog. So I'm going to be out of town. I have not packed my bag yet, so I'm gonna be out of town for about 2 days or so, and I'm gonna pack my bag yet or nothing, and I just don't want to right now. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. We're gonna leave out around 12 o'clock. Hopefully we'll leave out by 12 o'clock. Yeah, so I think it's about time I went to bed. I'm very tired and I want to wake up at a decent time so I can pack my bag and do my hair. I think I might put in my clippings for tomorrow. I kind of don't want to put on back that damn curly wig, because the entire video I've been flinging that wig on my head and just catching it on my head. Don't care how it look. Like, when probably look at me in some of the clips, like, girl, you know, see, you're not even put on good, and it's like, I don't care. I'm telling all the rest, I really wish me did care, but sometimes I don't, and I think it's because I feel comfortable with you guys. But then again, I go up on the road like that too, so I just don't care for real. But anyways, that's how I go. I'm not impressed nobody. That's why I'm telling y'all, like, some women really do things for themselves and not for the what do you call it, not to impress other people. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my vlog. Thank you so much for watching last week's vlog. If you have gotten this far, please comment pumpkin, because we're in fall season and I don't know what other word to say you guys to comment. I think next week's vlog is going to be so exciting, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share, tell a friend to become a seashell today, because it's the best thing ever in the world. But yeah, see y'all in my next video. See that? Like a family. Night, bye.